So today we are starting with set in one piece sleeve, where first we'll be joining side seam and inseam of sleeve. Then we'll be joining armholes together. So we have three sleeves, three different kind of a sleeve to show you as a demonstration. One is set in, other is puff sleeve, and third one is petal sleeve. Apart from this, we'll be also showing you kimono and reglan. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
આજના ક્લાસમાં કેટલા ડેમો લખ્યા છે? ત્રણ ડેમો એક સાથે લખ્યા?
But ma'am,
હા.
how do we make these sleeves?
You must have did it in your third semester, I guess.
No, ma'am.
we did not.
No sleeve yet.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, not yet.
So I'll be teaching you then. Till then, you just relax. So
Okay,
let us
ma'am.
finish with dresses by next class, and then let's see what is there next.
Ma'am, could you please once repeat the names of the sleeves you told us?
Yes, I'll just write down in a chat.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
તો આજે પફ અને આ કરાવશું પછી નેક્સ્ટ ક્લાસ પેટલ ને કિમોનો એટલે શું અને એમાં જ રેગ્લન બી આવી જશે ત્રણે રેગ્લન નું કઈ પડ્યું હોય તો guys once again I'll just write it down. Alright, so we'll be starting with set in one piece. Where
Ma'am, set in one.
set in one piece, beta.
Yes, ma'am. So I was asking, satin one pieces are normal sleeves, right? Which we
Yeah, our
generally
basic
wear.
sleeve. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So first we'll be finishing side seam with front seam. Then we'll be finishing inseam of sleeve with front seam. Cut extra thread, raw edges, clean that area first. And now on the wrong side or a back side of a fabric, take stitch line at 1/4 from the previous stitch line, where you'll be covering all raw edges inside. Now similar way you'll be doing inseam. So now you are familiar with front seam. There is a corner over here, which is for the hem. So here you have 1/4 of an inch extra for the hemline.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Basically, like there are many people who are in Gandhinagar right now, so we don't have our machines. So how do we do the stitching over here? Like hats?
I haven't asked you to complete it right now.
Okay.
If at all we have to do it, we will do it by hand. So by the time we will decide how many pieces you'll be doing. So here we finished inseam. Now we'll be finishing hem, self-faced hem. So now we'll be turning it 1/4 and then 1 inch. And at the hem, you give hemming or stitch line through machine.
Ma'am, could you repeat what you just said, please?
For self hem,
Yes, ma'am.
we have extension of 1/4 of an inch below sleeve, which is this.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Now we turn it from a corner or from a hem edge towards back,
Yes, ma'am.
and we have 1/4. So first you fold 1/4 of an inch,
Okay, ma'am.
which will go inside to cover raw edges. And your 1 inch will be visible here on the back side, not the front side.
Understood, ma'am.
Yeah. And here you can give hemming by hand. So for that we are giving stay stitch with the big stitch number 4 or 4.5. Just a stay stitch to hold entire thing together. Harleen Bennu koi copy kiya છે. Repairing also. Later on, you will be doing hemming over here. Now we'll be attaching sleeve. On this sleeve, this is back portion of sleeve, and you can see the smaller version of it, smaller part here is front portion of sleeve. This is outer area or center point or a crown part. So here we have crown. Now your sleeve armhole is bigger than your basic body's armhole, probably by 1/2 inch to 1 inch. So we shear this area first. Shearing is like a gathering, but not exactly gathers. In gathers, we have fabric stitched together with the other side. Here, it's just an adjustment of that 1 inch, which will take part into it, and it will be like, invisible shrinkage on the crown area of the armhole. So now see how shearing is happening. नीडल में से धागा निकालना है पहले, and then you hold your fabric from back and just run through it. Now you will see, can you see this gathers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to run that machine over approximately 3 times or 2 times, where your excess becomes stable and not gathers, and it will give you that. Still it's not, we have to run it through. So can you see this roundness over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Become firm. So at 2.5 number, you will give the shearing, and it will stand out. Because our bicep is always rounded. It's not flat. And therefore we need this little extra exercise. Now you can prominently see it. We'll show you again. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now we'll be attaching on the armhole with the help of French seam. So again, right side face each other. So right side will come on outer side. First, you'll be matching your inseam and side seam, then crown tip, then notches. Now we'll be stitching it at 1/4. No. Now your seams will be facing opposite in opposite direction to each other. So one in on left side and one in on right side. So you do not create bulk over there on underarm. When you stitch sleeve through set in one piece, which is armhole to armhole, you get extra comfort zone in fitted garments to have good movement in bodies in garment. Now we'll be trimming extra excess threads, then turning it inside on the back side. Either iron it or nail press it on seam, balance it, and then final stitch. ला केमने बनाता था ड्रेपिंग? देखा है क्या? देखा है क्या? हाँ? ना देखा है? So, तो बस तो પછી પતી ગયું.
પછી હું કરું?
Now we will be balancing your armhole here, seams, and then giving stitch line, final stitch line at 1/4. તો પછી તો કઈ વાંધો નહીં.
ફાઉન્ડેશન નો ક્લાસ છે ને?
હા એ તો મોઢું નહીં ખોલવાના. ખતરનાક આમ કરીને આમ આર્મહોલ બતાવે વિથ લેપટોપ આમ લાઈને કેમનું દેખાય. મેં જોયું મેં તો આ છે એટલે હું તો નીકળી ગઈ તરત. બધાને ડેટા જતો રહે છે. પેલી તો જબરી તો વોટ્સઅપ જ નથી વાપરતી એ નંબર ઉપર. બીજો નંબર લીધો હશે ને.
શું થાય?
લોકોનો પર્સનલ ડેટા પ્રાઇવસી ચોરાઈ લે છે. શું થાય નહીં. અમારે તો પ્રાઇવસી છે ને બધું ખુલ્લે આમ છે એટલે. અમારું તો કોઈ લઈ જઈ શકે એમ નથી. અમે કોઈકનું લઈ જઈ લઈએ, અમે કોકનું લઈ લઈએ પણ અમારું કોઈ ના લઈ જઈ શકે. ના જ. પેલીનો બી આખો દિવસ ફોન હોય ચાલુ. આ જપ્તીનું બી એવું છે.
કોણ?
And we are done with our sleeve. You can see the finishing here, seam, right? All right, I'm turning it. We'll be doing hemming over here.
Ma'am.
Yes, darling.
Ma'am, we couldn't get a thing. कुछ नहीं समझ आया.
कोई बात नहीं, तुम जब यहाँ आ जाओगे सब समझा देंगे जल्दी जल्दी. I do understand. So whenever you come back, we'll be dealing with it. Hope
Ma'am,
so
the
come back jaldi.
Ma'am, the college won't suspend the students from coming because of the one positive case that was found yesterday.
Not
right?
one positive case, darling. That one positive created 12.
So ma'am, 12 are positive. Ma'am, so like all the students are positive
हाँ तो
now.
अब चुप हो जाओ सबके सब. हो गए ना शुरू से. बोलो ना, आप बोलो।
मैम
अभी तो एक
But-
की बात कर रही थी कि मैम एक से पूरी दुनिया क्यों बंद होनी चाहिए,
एग्जैक्टली
और जब मैंने 12 बताया तो कैसे मुंह बंद हो गया सबका।
मैम बट 12 तो वो ना the one who got in contact or the like different students. So
Yeah, so one came in that group who had, and the other 12 got affected because of it.
मैम मैम उनका भी पॉजिटिव
Huh. Which is puff sleeve. Now in puff sleeve, on crown, puff on crown. Yeah, there are variations in sleeve, puff sleeve. Puff on crown, puff at hem, puff on crown and hem. So these are the 3 different variations. Here we are doing puff on crown. So you will be getting gathers over here, like in previous sleeve, we saw that there was shearing, right? Similar kind of a thing we'll be doing here, but this, because it is more than 1 inch, it will create gathers here throughout. All right, similar way. You will see right now from notch to notch. That's the reason I'm not giving you so much demo also. I'm just hoping that you come back. So we'll be doing stitch line, which is of number 4 at 1/4 till notch to notch, and then we'll be pulling
मैम
thread.
धीरे धीरे, मैम
दोनों
धीरे
धीरे
धीरे नहीं
धीरे
समझ आया।
धीरे करें।
मैम आप बोलो धीरे, और हाँ वो जब नॉच का बोले तो उसके पहले वाली
अच्छा,
लाइन
ठीक है,
प्लीज
ठीक
थोड़ा
है, ठीक है,
वापस।
सुनो सुनो सुनो। So we have notch here,
यस मैम।
we have notch here.
हाँ मैम।
हमने 1/4 पे डिस्टेंस पे पूरे में स्टिच लाइन जो लगाई है
यस मैम।
वो 4 नंबर का स्टिच लाइन है,
ओके ठीक है।
ठीक है, पर इंच
यस मैम, गॉट
4 नंबर वाला। ऑल
ओके
राइट,
मैम।
नाउ स्टिच लाइन करने के बाद इसको हम पुल करेंगे थ्रेड 2 बार, और एक बार
Yes,
और स्टिच लाइन लगेगी पहले, फिर दोनों थ्रेड को पुल करेंगे, देन विल शो यू अगेन। सो समवेयर अराउंड 1 2 3 4 5 16 पे स्टिच होगा ये, मतलब सिम जो स्टिच लाइन है उससे 116 अंदर, ताकि बाहर ना
Yes,
दिखे जब हम काम करें। हाँ,
मैम ये भी 4 नंबर का स्टिच लाइन होगा ना?
हाँ बेटा, ये भी 4 नंबर का है, बिकॉज हमें गैदर्स चाहिए तो इसलिए सारे 4 नंबर के हैं।
मैम ये विद थ्रेड हो रहा है या विदाउट
हाँ
थ्रेड?
बेटा, विथ थ्रेड हो रहा है अभी तो,
ओके
क्योंकि हमें पुल
मैम।
करना है।
यस मैम।
अब हम एक नॉच एरिया से पहले हम दूसरी साइड पे, सुनो, कोई भी एक साइड पे दोनों धागों को गांठ लगा दोगे एंड पे, या बैक टेक ले लोगे। उसके बाद
यस मैम।
कोई भी एक साइड से आप पुल करना शुरू करोगे। तुम्हारी वजह से तो मैंने डिस्को लाइट लगाई हुई है, देखो टिकटॉक लाइट। ओके, यहाँ पे हमने क्लोज कर दिया, इसको हम पुल करेंगे, एक थ्रेड बाहर निकालेंगे। सो जो बॉबिन वाला धागा है नीचे वाला, उसको पुल करेंगे, क्योंकि वो इजीली पुल हो पाता है। कहीं बैक टेक लग चुका है, and you keep on rolling it. Is it visible, beta?
यस मैम।
All right. एंड आपका जितना आर्म होल नॉच टू नॉच मेजरमेंट है उतना एरिया आप टोटल गैदर करोगे, उससे बड़ा या छोटा नहीं चाहिए हमें। अब एक बार मेजर कर लेंगे पहले और उसके बाद उसको इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे। पहले मेजर करो। नाउ एक और तरीका है स्लीव अटैच करने का। पहला वाला स्लीव हमने सेट इन वन पीस किया था, इसमें हो सकता है कि हम साइड सीम बाद में अटैच करें। So that is another way of doing your sleeve. Now you match your notch, your crown point and shoulder point, then another notch.
So, ma'am, we will attach the sleeve when the side seam is
Open
open.
at moment, yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
There are ways to finish sleeve. So what you are looking for, as per that, you need to finish your sleeves. When you have a loose garments, you
Okay,
can afford to have side seam and inseam together. When you have
Okay, ma'am.
very fitted garments, you should have set in one piece
Okay, ma'am.
for mobility. You know, you get more flexibility. So in your shirts, which are menswear or loose fit shirts, you normally have side seam to inseam and your armhole is stitched first. Whereas when you have fitted blouses, you have set in one piece. કોનું છે? એમનું બી never ending છે ને? આજે તો કીધું ને. રોજ કેટલું પાટલાન જાડા हो जाएगा, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, ले ले। Armhole to armhole. So first you'll be pinning your center crown area, then notches and side seam of armhole, and then on right side you'll be giving stitch line at 1/4. તો બંધ જ કરી દીધા પહેરવાના છે, આ બધું બંધ જ કરી દીધું પહેરવાનું. હવે જોઈએ મેન્ટેન થાય તો ઠીક, ને તો પછી કઈ નહીં. એને એવું જ છે, બે જુદા શેપ છે, માટલા ઉપર ધડ બેહાડ્યું હોય એવું છે. મને તેમ કે હર્લિન નું છે. અચ્છા એનું બી છે, પછી એ બી એક ચીકણી છે. કેમ અડધા ઇંચે લો છો? હા હા, તો ચલો तो overlock करिए छे. Okay. So we'll be stitching here at 1/2 inch, and for finishing we are going to do overlock. Petal sleeve में bias bound बताओ. હા એ તો ફ્રી થઈ ગયો છે. મારો મોબાઈલ રાતના 12 વાગ્યા સુધી કોલેજના હોસ્ટેલમાં જ લાગેલો હોય છે. હું હોસ્ટેલ હેડ છું. ફોર્થ સેમ અને સેકન્ડ સેમ, ના ફોર્થ નહીં, સેકન્ડ સેમ ફાઉન્ડેશન વાળા અને યુજી પીજી બંને સેકન્ડ સેમ. ચાલુ રવિવાર કે સોમવાર થી. રાજેન્દ્ર જોઈએ કોણ? અશોકભાઈ પૈસા આપીને ખાવાના લોકો, એટલે આપણે કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ ને બી જફા નહીં. જેટલું જે હોય એ જ ફોડે. નીચે કરવા જતી હતી. Now whatever extra excess you have while doing overlock, it will be removed. Now can you see sleeve here? You can see gathers, not pleats.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sexy, no?
Ma'am, very.
Yeah. So we'll have overlock. We'll show you. So give us 2-3 minutes. Recording, okay. So there is a overlock here, which take care of your raw edges. Now we'll be stitching front seam on side seam, and in the end we'll be having facing on sleeve.
I'm facing on the sleeve.
Yes, darling, facing on a sleeve.
But ma'am, where exactly?
Hem, on the hem.
Okay.
We have raw
Okay, ma'am.
edges,
Okay.
which can be done beforehand also. See, at moment, what we can do is we can just simply have facing here, and then, but then we are doing French seam. It will be little problematic. So first we'll finish French seam, then we'll have facing.
Okay. Okay,
Because our hem at sleeve of puff is in shape. So therefore we need facing over there. Again, you always have to remember that remove extra excess. so that when you finish your front seam, there is no raw edges outside visible. Now either iron it or nail press your side seam and inseam. Whenever you attach sleeve, try to match all your underarms also together. Now at 1/4, another seam, which is final. On the wrong side. And we are done with side seam. Now hem. So from right side, we need to stitch facing. So for facing, we have bias strip, 45 angle, fabric. So you can see selvage over here. And when you fold it on a complete diagonal, on a 45 angle, you get your bias strip. So here again, we have bias strip, because on bias grain, you get more stretchability and it's set with your fabric in whichever shape you want to fix it. You'll have seam at side seam, but that will be at the end. So for that, you leave 1/2 inch excess and start stitching at hem at 1/4, not more than that, because it is in a shape. So if you take more than that, then when you turn your fabric, you will have a problem of puckering. Now first at side seam, those 2 strips will be get attached and it will be in little V or A, opening outside little. And again, it will be attached on bias grain. સરસ, બચી ગયું. Now remove extra excess and balance your fabric first. Take edge stitch towards facing fabric, on facing fabric. So that when you turn it, your outer fabric or actual fabric will go inside 1/16. and you will not see any facing fabric outside basically. Sleeve. This. पता नहीं किसका है. All right, now you turn this inside and you can give hem. You can decide what width and what length you want in this. So you can have ½ inch. For ½ inch, you can take half of this and then start hemming it. So that looks good actually, and set on your hem. All right, so we'll be giving stay stitch on this first, and then we'll do hemming. शुक्रवार पीएम છે કે જીસી છે પેલા દિવસે પીએમ નથી મારી પાસે ઈમેલ માંગ્યા કરે સ્કેલથી કે એક તમે લખીને આપી દો ને કે પીએમ નતો જીસી હતો પણ પીએમ લઈ લીધો મેં તો હું નહીં લખીને આપી मैं अटेंडेंस से भर दी थी तार क्लासेस चेंज करवा कर दे કોણે આપણે તો આ બનાવીએ છીએ બતાવી દીધું ઓનલાઈનમાં જેટલું મારાથી શક્ય છે હું કરાવું છું પછી તો આવશે ત્યારે જે કરેક્શન કરવાના છે કરી દેશું મારે જ એક પેડ સર્વિસ ખોલવી પડશે એના માટે પાર્કિંગ સ્કૂટર 2 વ્હીલર જલપાજ મને થ્રોટ ઇન્ફેક્શન આપ્યા કરે બેઠી બેઠી હું તો એને હું આજે હું એને દવા લખી આપું છું પીરે ના ના એવું નહીં હું તને લખી આવું મારે ગઈકાલે મારું વેક્સિન આલી મારું થ્રોટ પકડાઈ ગયું તાવ ને થ્રોટ all right guys and we are done with our sleeve ten ten
Yay!
magic is done.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so not to worry about assignment again because for assignment if at all you are not coming on campus this semester, then we'll find out a way to submit your assignment without stitching.
Ma'am.
But it's garment construction.
Yeah, so what is important in garment construction?
Constructing the garment.
Is it constructing a garment or understanding technicality and understanding
Understanding
function of
technicality.
entire process? What is important?
Ma'am, the technicality and understanding.